What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. Starting off this video in the truck, obviously letting it warm up. Got word from the powder coater yesterday that the Mishimoto Coolant tank is done. So today, heading up to go pick it up, check it out to see how it looks. I'm a little concerned. He sent me some pictures, and the powder coat looks a little bit of a lighter color than all the other parts that I've gotten done already. And I know the illusion colors on the powder coating products are hard to get the same I guess, shade of color if they're not all done at the same time. So I'm hoping it was just the lighting that it was in, but I guess we will find out today, and we'll see how we address it if it is the wrong color. Fingers crossed, hopefully it's the right color. So I'll probably set you guys up on time-lapse, enjoy some of the scenery of the drive, and we'll go check out to see how the powder coat turned out. Also seeing the new tint in the sunlight. Looks absolutely amazing. It's still got a little bit of water spots in underneath it and drying out. Hopefully, looks like it should be a good day today. We'll get the rest of the water spots out. I'm not sure if you guys... No, there's no way you're going to be able to see it. But there's a little bit of water spots left in it. But overall, looking awesome and absolutely blocking out some of the heat of the day. Alright, time to drive. Alright guys, back in the garage, got the powder coated coolant tank back, and I gotta say, not only does the color match perfectly, but it looks really, really good. The guy did a super clean job on it, tape jobs were good, powder coat came out nice and sparkly. Every time I see this Illusion Cherry powder coat, I'm just blown away by how it looks. I almost wish the entire truck was in this color. But it looks really, really good. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, and then a couple of goodies that I got to go along with it. Alright, so here we go. Here's the reveal of the new powder coat. There she is. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't even know how well the camera is going to do this justice, but man, does it look good. You can see the flake in it. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, can it really get better than this? Guy was nice enough to paint that or tape that off. Took these out. Just looks really, really good. I am stoked to see what this thing is going to look like inside the truck. Absolutely amazed. And of course, I said got some extra goodies with it. Happened to have my eye on these for a little while. Our good friends over at Riff Raff, nice milled billet coolant reservoir caps. Which will go right on here. I did think about getting this cap powder coated the same color, but I thought that might be a little over the top, and having the black cap would actually help both the colors stand out a little bit more, and I'm glad I did, because I think it does look very, very nice up there. Just, would you look at it?
Would you look at this? Gosh, just look at it.
I mean, god dang, man. This looks good. And of course, one more thing. Also, from our good buddies over at Riff Raff. See if I can get this open one-handed. Nice billet aluminum thermostat housing to go along with it. I figure I'm going to be draining the coolant out of it to get this on. Might as well replace that as well. Good high quality billet aluminum parts from Riff Raff, made in the USA. Right there, 100% made in the USA. I think actually all of this is 100% made in the USA. Mishimoto Coolant reservoir, caps, thermostat housing. That's what I'm talking about right there. Some good quality American manufacturing. And it turned out absolutely beautiful. I think this thing is going to look phenomenal under the hood of the truck, along with the intercooler piping and the turbo and the intake spider, all the same color. Gonna look really, really good. So there you go. Let me know what you guys think about it. I think it's gonna look really good under the hood of the truck. Unfortunately, I don't have the time to install it today, so this is going to be a bit of an update video for you guys. I'm trying to get 2 videos out a week, and so the video in the middle of the week is kind of the shorter update to keep you guys informed on what's going on. Hopefully you guys don't mind that, but the next video should be this coolant tank going in the truck, and I think it's going to look top notch. Little update on the tint. Let me go out and give you guys a look at it. The truck's sitting nice and pretty in the driveway right now. If you guys didn't see the last video, I did get the truck tinted. Looks phenomenal. I think it really tied together the look outside the truck. The last video was on that. If you want all the details on it, you can go check out that. But basically, went 20% on all the windows and 55% on the windshield, and I think it is just about perfect. Had about 2 hours of driving on it today, and I can say I absolutely love it. Not only is it a little nicer not having it quite as bright in the cab, a little bit of privacy in the cab, as you can imagine, and it really helped cut down on the heat coming into the cab from the sunshine, with the XBell XR blocking out 88% of the infrared light. Made a huge difference on heat, and in general I think it looks really, really good. Wanted to give you guys that update after a little bit of drive time behind it. Super happy with the choice of getting it tinted. So with that, I think I'm going to wrap up this video. If you guys like the color of the tank and how it turned out, leave it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you're not subscribed, I would encourage you to subscribe so you don't miss out on the install on that and a number of other projects I have in the works. Got a lot of fun stuff going on this truck, and I have stuff in the works for possibly a new project truck for you guys to be watching and for me to be starting, which is pretty exciting. We're not getting rid of the old 7.3 content. We're just adding on to some more stuff. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.